but oh, it's going.
It's going. This is me and Bill's Sunday Funday. For all you out there, I'm using 2 hands. This is the hand cannon. Don't try this at home. We'll get the 2 points. Personal favorite. Gonna buy one someday. What's that black one called?
The black one, the 45.
And my 20 gauge shot. What were you shooting? This is talent right here. Put on the bottle.
You want to take video with the bottle? I think you got it.
Oh shoot, is that the
380.
380?
You'll have to slide one in, and then it's just double action only, so you just pull the trigger every time. That's it. Warm.
And they're hot coming up.
Yeah.
And that concludes.
There you go.
No, I'll turn on. There's the collection.